Make sure that you stay up to date with what is happening in auto insurance. It is important to know as much as possible so you will always make the right insurance decisions, ensuring you get the coverage that you need. This article provides tips on how to make the best insurance decisions. When purchasing car insurance, it is important to keep in mind that they are only insuring the driver of the car that is on the policy. Many times people will let a friend borrow their car, and if they get in an accident, the insurance refuses to pay. You can alter your car insurance policy to cover other drivers that use your car, although you will need to pay an additional charge. If someone who is covered on your insurance is no longer driving your vehicle, be sure you take them off your policy promptly. If there are other drivers on your policy, consider removing them in order to save some money on your premiums. When getting your car insurance policy, keep in mind that, in the majority of states, insurance companies have a span of time in which they can revoke your coverage. Although this probably won't happen to you if you have good financial and driving records, it could, so it's a wise idea to keep information about other insurers where you can find it. If you have any outstanding traffic or parking tickets, be sure to pay them before switching auto insurers. A new insurance company will definitely go over your driving history, so there is no excuse for you not to take care of simple matters like paying outstanding fines. Paying your tickets and fines is the moral thing for you to do, besides the impact it will have on reducing your insurance payments. One surprising, though somewhat obvious, way to get an insurance discount, especially for males under the age of 25, is to get married. Married couples can save up to 40% on their insurance premiums. So, if marriage is in your future, this is just one more great reason to take the plunge. If you need to save money, choose a higher deductible. This can blow up in your face if you need to make a large claim, but so long as you save money to cover anything insurance won't, you might come out ahead in the end. Your premiums will often be considerably lower if you choose the higher deductible. Figure out what kind of insurance coverage you should have for your car. You probably don't need every insurance coverage option. If you tend to have accidents, you would be wise to pay for collision coverage. When switching insurance providers, cancel your old policy, and be sure to keep it in writing. It's possible that it can be ignored by your old insurance provider and you may get a bill in the mail anyway that you disregard but get blacklisted as policy termination due to non-payment. This could affect your prospects with other insurance companies, and possibly affect your credit record as well. When someone in your home gets their own policy, remove them from yours. For instance, if your child who has always been covered under your policy buys his or her own policy, lower your premium by having that child removed from your policy. The number of drivers in a given household has a direct impact upon the premium rates set by insurance companies, so cutting back on the amount of covered drivers will cut your costs. You want to do as much research as possible to find a company that will suit your needs long term, and also provide you with excellent customer service. The Department of Insurance will have a list of the companies, and any complaints lodged against them. This statistic provides the percentage of an auto insurer's claims that result in complaints. The information presented in this article has, hopefully, increased your knowledge, which can guide you in making more informed decisions regarding vehicle insurance. Anyone can make better decisions if they have sufficient knowledge about the subject. If you appreciate the contents of this article, give the gift of knowledge by forwarding this to your loved ones as well. For further information and quotes on taxi insurance, saxa.co.uk, please visit our website that specializes in all types of hire and reward policies for licensed UK drivers. To compare cheap private hire taxi insurance quotes, visit mediaproperty.co.uk web link, a leading UK quote comparison portal. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.